Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Aman. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your own pixel art or text in Photoshop CC. So let's get started. So make a pixel art text. You have to click File and New, and you have to choose width as 192 and height 108, and resolution should be 300. And background you should choose white, black, or transparent. I am choosing transparent. Uh, so uh, I know it is a very small document. We should work on this. So we can work on pixels. Now we have to zoom in. You can click Control plus or Control minus for zoom in and zoom out. So just zoom in, and now we have to fill a solid color in it. You have to click on the shorted icon and click solid color. You can choose your favorite color. I'm choosing a gray, offset gray or dark gray, I think. And now what you have to do, make a new layer. Go to pencil, go to brush tool, right click on it and use pencil tool. Now and zoom it out, more on it, and use the brush hardness should be 100 and size of the pencil should be 1. So you have to type your text. So I'm typing Aman. Make sure your style is unique, and you have to make a pixel art. You must be patient so that you can make good pixel arts. Uh, as you can see, I am not patient, so it is not going good. You have to make sure you are very patient. Okay, we have type A. I think this is the best way you can type A, or you can type the other way if you want. Shit. If you do a mistake, you can erase it anytime if you want, like I did. Shit. So we have type our first letter. You can make a duplicate copy of it. So you can make many copies if you want. I'm making 3 copies, and I have 3 ways to do pixel art. So first way is first you go to markers, select markers tool, click M on your keyboard, or just click go to this but icon, click on it and make a box half of the words, and you can now go to move tool, and you can just slightly uh, turn it to right so it looks good. It is an italic type, and it is very popular in pixel art text. And all you can do a little bit in the bottom of the text, just like this, and now it looks pretty good. You see. So another way I have is Another way I have is just erase the pixels on the pixel of the word. So as you can see, we have erasing pixels, so it looks more pixelated and realistic, just like this. And yeah, you have to click multiple times on the on your mouse to erase it, just like I did. Okay, it looks good. And you can go to rectangle tool and make a rectangle on it. Make a rectangle around it, just like this. I think size should be 8. Oh, it should be. Size should be 1. And the color should be white. Yeah, I think 1 should make it a little bit big. So, this is the second way I have to make pixel art. So these are the two ways I have to make pixel art. If you enjoy this video, please give this video a blue thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, so subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. My name is Aman, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.